Remove the screw protective cover. Remove the screws. Unscrew the locking plate screw. Disconnect the motor connection line. Remove the front wheel. Deflate the tire completely. Use a tire prying tool to remove the tire. Pay attention to the direction of the tire pattern. Align the valve core with the hole on the wheel rim. Using a tire pry bar to install tires. Inject air with an air pump to reach the appropriate value. Install gaskets and stop plates. Tighten the screws. Connecting motor wires. Installation is complete.